Where are we going? Somewhere? Anywhere? We're taking your Baby Einstein DVD with us? Oh man, I almost fell over. Keep your balance. Yep, we can turn back this way. Up, drop it. You can pick it up again. Yep, and we're off. And we're off. Upsy daisy. You can't stand all that and pick it up. You have to move your foot. Okay, got it. Now off we are. Off we go. Oh, step over your bat. Oh, maybe you should pick up the bat. Okay. Well, yep, pick it up. Oh, right. Now that'll be fun. Look like a little caveman. You want the DVD again? Wow, I can't get it. Yeah, forget about that one. I'll go for something else. Where are you going? Walker, where are you going? Go somewhere. Get up, Mom. Whoops. You get it? Can you get it? Ah, get your DVD.